and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today we are preparing a little epic dinner. Pork tenderloin. And if you don't know what a pork tenderloin is, Google it, because it's the filet mignon beef tenderloin, the most awesomest part of the pig.
Yeah.
And for the price, they're fairly inexpensive, and the totally different things you can do with them, it's actually pretty incredible.
There's a lot. My favorite is the banh mi. You can find that video on our channel.
Yeah, the banh mi was very good. But today we're going to be doing the pork tenderloin out on the Weber kettle, charcoal barbecue. And what are you going to do? You're going to do like a herb crusted pork tenderloin, asparagus, Caesar salad, nice little dinner.
Yes.
So quick video recipe. Come along with us. If you're new to the channel, we post every Tuesday, Thursday with a live stream on the weekend. All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
And here we go.
So we have our pork tenderloin. This is one of a 2-pack that we got at Costco, so it's very inexpensive. As you can see, it was $11 for 2 of them, and they're pretty good size. 5.5 pounds. Our crust is going to consist of thyme, rosemary, garlic, a little bit of olive oil, and some salt. We're going to coat it, we're going to let it sit for an hour, and then we're going to put it onto the Weber kettle.
Your hands are going to smell very aromatic after that.
Oh yeah, they're going to smell delish.
So basically you're putting everything in the little ninja chopper.
Yeah, I am. So you can chop everything up tiny on your own, but I'm lazy and I love this thing. So I just throw everything into it. So you're going to want about a half a cup of each herb. I believe it was 6 cloves of garlic. So we're going to put everything in here together. And then from there, we will have our marinade. Okay guys, you know that the Ninja Chopper is my favorite. So if you look below, we will have it linked. And you know, if you buy off of our channel, it just helps us out. We get a little tiny commission.
For the ring fund?
For the ring fund. It helps support our channel. It's expensive to make these recipes. Okay, so now I'm doing the thyme. And if you just pull backwards, it just comes off so easy, slides right off. Okay, so I'm really bummed because I went to Trader Joe's and I got fresh garlic today, a new thing of it, and we get home and it's completely rotten. So I'm really bummed out. I'm trying to salvage what I can, but you can see there's like yuckies in there. And it was such a big, beautiful piece.
So you'll have a couple pieces of garlic in the Ninja Chopper.
Yeah. Okay, so first I'm gonna blend up all of the herbs and the garlic before I add the oil in. So here we go.
How does that smell, babe?
Oh, babe, it's really yummy smell. Smell it.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be good.
Okay, I'm gonna pour enough olive oil in to make it kind of like a paste. So that was about 1/4 cup. Looks pretty good. You want it to just be sticky enough.
Babe loves handling raw meat.
Love testing me. Oh, there's 2 in there too.
Oh, so this was really a 4-pack.
Yeah.
Hot diggity dog. Are we making both?
I guess. You're making me
That's a great deal at Costco, actually. Yeah, babe. Yeah, babe. How's it going? You're touching the tenderloin. Oh, what does that look like?
That's disgusting.
It looks like.
We're going to take this and we're just going to spread it all over the meat. Do this on both sides. Okay, so we're going to do both of these, both sides. I'll pour the remainder over, then we're going to let it set for an hour.
We're going to be using the Weber kettle today, and you could also use the pit barrel cooker. This would be fantastic on the pit barrel cooker as well. But today we're using the Weber kettle. All right, so I'm going to get the Weber kettle lit. My goal is to keep it between 225 to 260, somewhere in between there during the entire cook. And I want to bring this pork up to 145 degrees, let it rest, and it'll be perfect. It'll be super, super juicy, tender with that good crust on the outside from all those herbs that Babe did. So I'm gonna get the barbecue lit, come on back, and yeah, it's gonna be pork time. Was I put the thermometer in the biggest piece, and so we can kind of get a temp at one of them. The pit right now is running at 250 degrees. That is 50 degrees. right? Hold on. That is 57 degrees. And let's put some stuff on. That one there. We'll put this one right here across. Get that last bit of flavor.
I also added some salt right before we put it on.
Okay. Let's let it roll and we'll check back when they hit 145. All right, babe, the pork is on the barbecue.
Okay.
And what are you doing?
I'm making the asparagus.
So you're gonna wrap it in foil this time?
I don't know. I feel like there's so little that they might fall through because these are baby bags from Trader Joe's. So I kind of wanted to put some butter and some salt and pepper on it and let it go in the foil.
Hello, the smell is amazing. So these are both at 140 degrees right now, but I want to get a little color on them. So I'm going to put them right over the coals and bring them up that last 5, 10 degrees. And yeah, we'll be ready to go. Our little asparagus bomb right there, and we'll be ready to party. Just flipped it, did 1 minute, flipped it. We'll do another minute, flip it again. Okay, babe. There you go. There's your crusted, beautiful 158. That's even... I should have pulled it off sooner, babe.
I guess.
Yeah.
Now we have to let it rest for 20 minutes, tinted under foil.
We do?
Yep.
And the temperature is going to go up even more.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Okay. I mean, it looks like it's certainly juicy.
Yeah.
Juices are coming. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, look at that. Oh, hello. Let's plate and let's... Oh, hello.
Sorry.
And let's show the folks the thumbnail.
Okay, babe, let's do it. Plating time.
It's plating time. So what did you add to the asparagus? Some fresh Parmesan?
Just a little bit of fresh Parmesan. And we have our Caesar salad.
You made a quick Caesar salad.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm going to cut this meat up.
Can we talk about your pajama pants?
They're not supposed to be on camera.
Ah, but now they are. Oh,
Okay.
no.
Thank you. Okay, babe, let's see what we've got here. Ooh, that looks perfect. See that nice little ring right there? Nice thin pieces. So this looks like it's medium well, right?
I don't know that you do pork like that. You just do it by temperature.
Yeah.
And we temp this whole thing, and all the pieces were over 150.
Yeah.
Babe, we got our little thumbnail plate there. Literally, this video is about just a nice, simple pork tenderloin dinner.
Just a nice little healthy meal on a Monday evening.
Yeah, babe.
That's all.
Yeah, with your headband. Sweatband?
Mm-hmm. It's very hot out today.
Is that a sweatband?
Yeah. I was sweating to the oldies.
It captures your sweat.
Yeah, with Richard. What's his name?
Sims?
Yeah.
No.
Wait.
What's his name? That's super juicy. I mean, it's pouring juices out of it.
It is really good. It's cooked perfectly.
Yeah, but it's not dry. That's the problem that I have with pork chops and stuff like that, because oftentimes they're dry, but...
Unless you cook them in the air fryer.
Unless you do them in the air fryer. Oh, how's that asparagus grilled with the parm? Yeah, it's good.
It's a very good dinner.
Oh, those are really juicy.
Yeah.
You can really taste the herbs.
It's flavorful.
Oh.
It's juicy. It's cooked to perfection.
They're good.
If you are a pork tenderloin person, this is for
Try
you.
that. Pork tenderloin, a little asparagus salad. That's a good, healthy little dinner.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good Monday evening
Yeah.
meal.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching another video. Do you know that 76% of the people that watch our videos are not subscribed? That's crazy.
Yeah, so if you're watching this, hit that subscribe
There's a
button.
little red subscribe button. Here, I'll put it in my hands right here, over Babe's face. Bing! All right, guys. We'll see you later on the next one. All right.
Thanks, guys.